from center to center, since we do not have that actual measurement on. Yeah, I can see that. That is our transmalleolar line. What we're going to do is we need to make a mark down the center of our stirrup from the center of the hole to the center of the hole. Should probably be on the other side. Actually, and you've already seen how to measure that out, right?
Yeah. What happened? What did I miss?
So I took a line down the center of this, and this is going to stay in line with
The foot.
the center of our transmalleolar langicle. And see, you can place this on your shoe either this direction or this direction. See what happens when we put it on the shoe that way? This is going to go if we have our shoe sitting on here. Let's look at it the other direction. So it's either going off that way, or if we flip it, it stays more in the center of the shoe. So that's how you determine which direction you're going to do this. So this one is bending towards the medial side of the foot is going to be the best. And we need to then measure. We have all our measuring stuff out there now. We need to find the center of this.
In my drawer. There's a measuring tape somewhere in there.
So that's 26. So at 13, put a mark. Oh. It's cut. We need to get the heel off. This is where it's an advantage to have a shoe that's made for this, because this heel will pop off with a screwdriver. If you don't have that kind, then you have to take it on the bandsaw and cut the heel off, keeping it square. Okay? And we're just gonna take those nails out, and we probably, well, we could, well, they're all curled over, so we can't use them. What's easier? Snip them off. Actually, no, we're not gonna do that.
I have a snipper in my drawer.
You have a snipper. Nice thing about this particular shoe is it has this little piece of plastic that's a spacer, which happens to be just about the thickness of that. Nice. Otherwise we kind of have to create something like that for ourselves. Guess you have it on film.
We need evidence.
So Our shoe is going to sit on here. We need to know the thickness of our counter. Which is 1/8 of an inch. So we need to take the distance between these two and average it. So 8 plus 4.8 is what?
12.8.
12.8 divided by 2.
So 6.4.
So 6.4 plus 1/8, or that's 3 millimeters. 6.4 plus 3 is 6.7, right?
Yeah.
So 6.7 from here is where our center line is. This is going to be where the line goes through. So that is 6.7. Oops, that's not 6.7. That's 6.7. Okay. And what we're going to do is take our upright, and this is where we're going to have the drill press. We're going to drill a little tiny hole through the center of this. Drill. Just a small size, it doesn't really matter. This is not for attaching anything, it's just for aligning purposes. So we're going to go in on the drill press and drill this out.